Yep, that's me. You might be wondering how I got in this situation this Christmas. Well, cast your mind back to 2023 when I helped Santa with his back pain. Well, not 1 year later in 2024, he was back to his old tricks, giving people injuries for Christmas. So this year, we've decided to lay it all on the line in an underground wrestling match. If I win, Santa has to make the whole world flung and sexable. If Santa wins, well, I'm sure you know what that means.
I like that, stretchy boy. Oh my goodness, that was a big body slam to Tom Morrison there.
I don't know if he's gonna get up from that.
I don't know either.
Oh, good catch from the Tooth Fairy there.
Santa is going with the Christmas elbow. The Christmas elbow, the second most electrifying move in sports entertainment. Oh, look at that. The full force of the elbow just down. Oh.
1, 2.
That was 3, ref. That was 3. You just made the naughty list, referee.
Oh, Santa's not happy about this at all. He's climbing up the top rope.
You're done for. I fly like a reindeer, sting like a bee.
He's ready to take flight.
Santa's gonna fly.
Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, a full 600 pounds.
I've never seen a man that size fly like that before.
Oh, he's so heavy.
Tom, you need to do the simplistic mobility method. It's totally online and you don't need any equipment.
Okay, I'm coming.
Not today. Your bump pads won't help you with this.
1, 2, oh, kick out of the 2.
Oh, I thought he had him there.
Tom Morrison is lining him up. Spear.
As God is my witness, he is broken in half.
Oh, stalking Santa for a second time. These two are staring off. It's about to kick off here.
Oh, it's about to go down.
Think you could stun me, jabroni? I'm a goddamn mythical being.
Santa got jacked.
Where did Santa's trousers go?
Look at that.
Let's go, baby. Oh no.
10% off all our online programs!
It's 15% off, actually.
Oh, and there goes Tom Morrison over the top rope. How's he going to recover from this?
That's a big hit.
Get back in the ring.
Come here. He's got Santa on the beard.
Oh my God.
Oh, elbow. Oh.
That is nasty.
Santa, get yourself back in this ring now!
Oh, big kick to the face.
Oh, well, I think we hit the referee on the way past.
The steel chair's out.
Santa's pleading.
No, Tom, stop. Please.
He doesn't want to get hit with that chair.
Remember that bike I bought you when you were 9? Let's hug it out.
They're hugging it out.
Hugging it out. That's very nice of Santa to do that.
Yeah, you love that little pink bike. Jiggle balls.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Why, Santa? Why, Santa? Why? Why?
Oh, the chair.
Stick that down your stocking.
Tom Morrison.
You sick,
Surely
twisted
it's
man.
all over.
Oh, yeah.
Santa's looking for the 3 count here.
Come on. Wake up. Wake up.
Referee JP's still knocked out. He's still knocked out.
Wake up, ref. It's Christmas morning.
He's waking him up.
Oh, no!
Back to Lapland. Chokeslam.
Whoa! Straight out of hell!
1, 2. Come on. Oh! Kick down. Kick down. He really had him.
Time to stretch your ankles.
Oh, he's got him in the ankle! He's going for it!
No! Santa, no! You can't win! You have to make the world more flawed and sexable!
They have to do that for themselves. Give up, Tom Morrison.
Ah! 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 his stocking.
He's stalking him.
Oh! Out of somewhere! 1, 2, 3, into the water! Apparently they're selling online programs.
It's a great discount.
It is a great discount.
Maybe they do need to do it themselves.
They could do the simplistic mobility method. So one-time purchase, no subscription, is the perfect Christmas present.
Huh. It's a Christmas miracle.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Santa.
Ho, ho, ho.
Here we go, Santa. Here we go. Well, I guess all that's to happen now is for the world to have a flowing and sexable Christmas.
You know, I would have won if you hadn't cheated.
You kicked me in the Christmas crackers! Jingle bells!